Welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. 1970 Pontiac GTO. Yes, the real GTO. Convertible. It's got a VA 455 automatic. Pontiac motor division, stock wheels. Beautiful color. The paint looks very, very presentable. The top is like new. The body lines, it's just right on. Body lines right on. Here again, the glass, rear glass, not plastic. Rear bumper, the only chrome rear bumper. It's very, very nice. Original place in 1970. It's got the little hair lines on both sides. Very, very, you have to look at it real close and see it. Well, very common on these things. Very common. Here again, beautiful lines. Door panels, carpet, dash, seats, rear seats. Just very nice. Very, very nice. No issues whatsoever. This is the best part, the engine compartment. Very presentable. Here you had a 455 V8 that just gets up and hauls. Power steering, nice option. Radiator, upgraded radiator. Data plate. The interior door panels here again, very nice. It's got the leather custom wheel. It's got a little extra gauge in the back. Here again, very nice. The trunk, no issues, no rust, nothing that stands out. This is the cover. When the top goes down, you put it up.
I have the boot.
And we have the boot
That goes.
here again. Best part, you know,